Hello and welcome to Zenith Institute where learning matters. Guys, this video is the continuation of my previous video where I shared 25 common words in German for absolute beginners and level 1 student. This is the second part where you can add 25 more words in your vocabulary list. Somehow if you miss the first part, you can get the link from the description. Now let's begin. Früh. Früh means early or soon. Early or soon. Spät. Spät is late or later. Früh and spät. There are three words: zusammen, gemeinsam oder miteinander. Zusammen, gemeinsam and miteinander, three words mean the same, together. Next is weit weg. Weit weg meaning is far away, in der Nähe is nearby or in the vicinity. Next is sauber. Sauber means clean, tidy or neat, and the opposite of sauber is schmutzig. Schmutzig is dirty or messy. Next is fleißig. Fleißig is hardworking, and faul. Faul is lazy or idle. These are again opposite word. Next is jemand. Jemand means someone, anyone, anybody, and niemand is no one, nobody. Okay. Next is schnell. Schnell is fast or quickly or rapid. And next opposite is langsam. Langsam means slowly or slow. Bitte langsam. Next is immer. Immer is always. And manchmal. Manchmal is sometimes. Manchmal. Next is normalerweise. Normalerweise is generally or usually. And meistens. Meistens is mostly, most commonly. Next is sofort. Sofort is immediately, instantly. Sowieso. Sowieso is anyway. It's kind of filler also. Sowieso. Täglich. Täglich is daily or routine or routinely. And monatlich. Monatlich is monthly. Tag and Monat. Täglich, monatlich. Next three words are bequem, gemütlich or komfortabel. These all three words mean the same, that is comfortable. Next is zuerst. Zuerst is first of all or at first, and zum Schluss is at the end or finally. And here is the final list of 25 words. Thank you for watching. You can read this in my blog. Link you will get in the description. Again, part 1 video also you will get the link in the description. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and learning partner. Thank you for watching.